अब हम we shall discuss now polyhalogenated compound. Now polyhalogenated means two or more than two halogen atom. If it is present, then it's polyhalogenated compound. The first polyhalogenated compound is dichloromethane, that is CH2Cl2. Methane का chlorination करते हैं in presence of sunlight, you get dichloromethane. It is colorless, sweet smelling, volatile liquid. Solvent की तरह यूज़ करते हैं paint remover में, propellant in aerosols. Next is chloroform, in which we have 3 chlorine atom. It is prepared by chlorination of methane, but in more presence of chlorine atom. It is a liquid, sweet smelling liquid with boiling point 61 degree. It is generally used as solvent for fat, waxes, rubber. It was earlier used as anesthetic in surgery, but it had later on harmful effects, and then this was being banned. Now we don't use chloroform for this purpose. It is also used as cough syrups. Now it is not used. It is stored in dark bottles. Now this is very important. It is stored in dark bottle. Why? Because it gets oxidized in presence of sunlight to form a poisonous gas called phosgene. Carbonyl dichloride is phosgene. याद रखना. What is the reaction? Which gas does it form? तो क्लोरीन की अगर दो poisonous gas बोलते हैं, one is dichlorocarbonyl और phosgene is a poisonous gas. So we fill it in a dark colored bottle, and normally it is stored in dark bottle filled so that air is out. 1% ethanol we add to convert phosgene, और अगर phosgene बन भी गया तो वो convert हो जाएगा अगर ethanol ऐड कर देंगे into diethyl carbonate, which is non volatile and non poisonous. ट्राईआइडोमीथेन, आइडोफॉर्म इसको जनरली कहते हैं, और आइडोफॉर्म रिएक्शन ये है. आइडोफॉर्म एक येलो कलर का प्रेसिपिटेट है. जब भी एक अल्कोहल, ठीक है, एक ऐसा अल्कोहल जिसके पास जिस कार्बन पे OH है उसके नेक्स्ट पे मिथाइल ग्रुप है, तो वो अल्कोहल NaOH के साथ रिएक्ट करता है इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ आयोडीन, वी गेट ट्राईआइडोमीथेन. और कीटोन जहाँ पे मिथाइल ग्रुप है कार्बोनिल ग्रुप के पास, NaOH और I2 के साथ हीट करते तो एक आइडो फॉर्म बनता है. येलो कलर का केमिकल कंपाउंड है. इसको यूज़ करते हैं टू फाइंड दिस पर्टिकुलर यूनिट CH3 to CHOH और CH3 to CO. तो ऐसे ग्रुप को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए ये टेस्ट किया जाता है. एंड इट इज़ अ येलो सॉलिड हैविंग अ मेल्टिंग पॉइंट 119 डिग्री, इनसॉल्युबल इन वाटर बट ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट्स में डिजॉल्व हो जाते हैं. इट इज़ यूज्ड एज एंटीसेप्टिक. नाउ व्हाई इज इट यूज्ड एज एंटीसेप्टिक? अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट बोर्ड क्वेश्चन. बिकॉज इट लिबरेट्स आयोडीन. आयोडीन रिलीज करता है इसलिए वो एंटीसेप्टिक की तरह यूज़ करता है. बट ड्यू टू अनप्लेजेंट स्मेल इट हैज़ बीन रिप्लेस्ड बाय अदर मेडिसिन्स. सो but why do iodoform has antiseptic property? Because it releases I2 when it comes in contact with skin. Now the next is polyhalogenated compound, carbon tetrachloride, 4 chlorine atom. It is a strictly smelling colorless oily liquid, boiling point 350 Kelvin. It is used for refrigerant and propellant for aerosol cans. When exposed for longer time for CCl4, it causes dizziness, nausea, lightheadedness, vomiting, and it make irregular heartbeat, or it can stop a heartbeat. It irritates the eyes on direct contact, and when released in air it rises to atmosphere and depletes ozone layer. So this is the harmful effect of CCl4. Now we shall see freons. Now very important, water freons. One example of freon. What is the name of this freon? So freons are chlorofluoro compound of methane and ethane. Now अगर chlorofluoro नहीं पता, ये CFC कहे जाते हैं. Chlorofluorocarbon compound of methane, ethane are called as freons. They are stable, unreactive, non-toxic, non-corrosive, and easily liquefiable. Dichloro-difluoromethane, Cl2F2. Freon 112, very important freon. They are used as refrigerant. For cooling purpose it is used in air conditioners. It is used as propellant for aerosols. In different kind of spray, shaving cream we use it. So it is responsible. Now freon was banned. CFC का हमें पता है. It causes the ozone depletion, so it's banned. Now next is DDT. Now DDT is diphenyl trichloroethane. This is the common name. In IUPAC this is 2,2-bis parachloro, that is 4-chlorophenyl 1,1,1 trichloroethane. This is the complete name of DDT. So DDT is this compound. This compound is called DDT. It is used as insecticide. It was once used to kill large amount of mosquitoes, but it's non-biodegradable. So what is DDT? The structure, the full form. Freons, what is the definition on freons? Non-toxic or toxic? We need to know about it. So this is about the chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes.